What about people that say that the protein from plants is inferior to the protein from meat? Is that true?
Yeah, well, the thing is the way that we have for many, many years determined the quality of protein in foods. It's based on two things. It's based on the amino acid profile relative to human needs. So there are 9 essential amino acids which the body can't make. We have to get from food. And so it's based on sort of the profile of those amino acids. And then it's based on digestibility. And plant foods, if they have a lot of fiber especially, have a little lower digestibility. So if we compare the digestibility of tofu or peanut butter or a bread that's, ground grains, it'll be very similar to what it is for animal products in the mid to high 90s. But for something like oatmeal or some sort of, quinoa or beans, it's going to be about 10% lower than that. So somewhere probably, usually around 80, 85%, or even up to 90% available. So that's one of the differences. And the other difference is, of course, that amino acid profile. But here's what most people don't realize. Most people don't realize that every single one of the essential amino acids are actually made by plants. They're essential because animals don't make them. So they come from plants either directly by eating the plant or indirectly by eating animals that ate the plant, or very indirectly by eating animals that ate other animals that ate plants. But at some point along the food chain, they came from plants. It makes no sense to think we can't get them from plants. It's where they come from. So this is a really important point. And yes, it's true. Some plants are a little bit low in lysine. So for example, if all you ate was rice is low in lysine. And so you would have to double your intake of rice to meet your needs for lysine. You'd have to eat a lot of it. Some grains are a little low in methionine and cysteine, but so little that you'd have to eat an extra tablespoon or 2 to meet your needs from the legumes. But when you eat, people don't eat one food. They eat a variety of foods. And when you eat a variety of foods and you include some of those lower fiber foods in the mix, like tofu, like peanut butter, other nut and seed butters, like veggie meat once in a while, those kinds of things, even, the ground grains, when you're including those foods in the mix, it's just, the bioavailability of those amino acids increases. And so you don't have to worry about those differences. And when you eat that mix, you get all the essential amino acids you need. I mean, we do have to, if you're bodybuilding, you need to worry a little more about leucine. If you're a senior, with sarcopenia, you have to worry a little more about leucine. But we've done the math. We did the math in plant-powered protein and really calculated, okay, even for people with the highest needs, can we do this and meet those needs? And the answer is absolutely, yes, we can. It's not that difficult to do.